Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So they are looking really shitty. In front they are fine, but as soon as you turn they go up. I didn't expect the haircut to end up like this. I have getting like lots of eye bags. My face is looking not good. But my mom did my haircut. My neighbors are really noisy. I don't know. We have what is this? What is this? Anyway, so yeah, so like today I'm gonna do a Chinese cute look, the pink makeup. Why am I looking so dull? Because I told you that this is looking trash. Not trash, it's really cool. My mom did it and I love it. But I think this type of hair will go well with the cute and a pink Chinese makeup. This will look good. And we will also make a hairstyle. What is this? What is this? First, I have already applied the primer. We are going for the foundation. I want to kill it. I'm gonna apply balms for my makeup. I have this, like it's almost a year now. Happy 100th anniversary. Slide my bangs and show my forehead. I have a pimple. My foundation is almost. Let's start by slapping your face. We're gonna use this dirty ass sponge. Never mind, I've washed it, but it's still like this. I don't know why. It looks kind of ugly. Oh my. Wait, I look kind of cute now. Oh my god. Was I just ugly because of my face? My face is changing, guys. I'm shape-shifting. I look so Asian. I am Asian. Not every Asian is pretty. Take me as an example. But most of the girls are pretty. Now I look more Asian. Foundation is done. What are you supposed to do next? We need to apply blush. Guess this palette used to be with my mom, and I don't know, it's really old, like before I was born or after I was born, but she did bought it and it's old. She used that. I don't know what color that was. So look at this mirror I got. This is so goofy. It broke, but my mom taped it. It's so cute. I use everything my mom uses. Yeah, should we do our brows? My brows are so thick. Haha, it's working. My eyebrows are brown now. Oh my god, kids. Oh, did I just sound like Mr. Herbert from Family Guy? The lighting is so shitty, but who cares? We'll take this. Take this light. Take this light shade and apply it on your brow. Is this a makeup tutorial or I'm just not teaching you guys? Alright. Now we're gonna take the same eyeshadow, the light one, and apply it under your eyes. A more dark shade. Now we're gonna take this palette and use the most light shade. Brown eyeshadow, and here and here. Apply it under your eye at the corner. We have made the eye color and everything. Now it's time for the eyeliner. We are not gonna apply a big one. And now we will like contour our nose. Cute. Now we need to use the lipstick. I'm gonna choose a dark lipstick. I forgot to curl my lashes. Okay, so the lashes are done. And now it's time for contouring. The makeup is complete and now we're gonna do the hairstyle. We need to take out some hair. We're gonna tie them back because they are no use. It looks like this. This looks weird. How about we just let it stand? Looks funny. The ribbon is cute. And now for this. This looks so ugly. I'm gonna change my clothes. Okay, so I have changed the shirt. This is the very cute shirt that I found. With this makeup, I'm gonna get a chain. Okay, they both look super cute. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing more of these type of looks and see you in the next video.
Sparkles and champagne. VIP my sex.